terrifying landslide crashes down mountainside, burying vehicles and threatening homes below. Watch nature's raw power unleashed in seconds on this busy highway. Watch ice cracking in the most breathtaking way possible. Pure natural magic captured on camera.
Ouch! Oh my God!
Driven by hunger, these goats perform death-defying climbs, scaling spiky trees with jaw-dropping determination. Nature's masterpiece revealed. The rainbow eucalyptus, a tree so unreal, it looks like Mother Nature went wild with a paintbrush. The doorway to hell has been burning for over 4 decades. What was supposed to be a quick fix when Soviet scientists lit this methane leak in 1971 has become an eternal inferno that refuses to die. Would you dare to stand at the edge of this fiery abyss? Mother Nature defies logic as this Australian river literally bursts into flames. Gas from nearby fracking has turned peaceful water into a raging inferno. Warning sign or environmental disaster? Drop your thoughts below. Nature's perfect defense mechanism. Deer instinctively circle their young, a living shield of maternal protection. The raw power of nature unleashed as this raging flood demolishes everything in its path. Water and mud combining into a destructive force that even concrete barriers can't stop. Is your area prepared for nature's fury? Nature's ultimate rebels that literally break the rules by soaring 200 yards above the ocean, turning escape into an extreme sport. Have you ever wondered why crocodiles in a breathtaking dance across the sky, these birds create living artwork that morphs between human spirits, ocean waves, and wild creatures? What secret message are they trying to reveal to us as they paint the heavens with their synchronized flight? Popocatépetl roars at dawn, hurling smoke and debris across the Mexican sky. You've never seen volleyball like this. 4 sea lions show off Olympic-level skills, controlling the ball with perfect precision before delivering show-stopping smashes. These marine mammals could teach humans a thing or two. Trapped in nature's deadly ambush, this driver in Slovakia's mountains watched in horror as massive fir trees crashed down from every direction. Their attempt to escape became a real-life, final destination scenario with a miraculous ending. Not a mythical creature, but a real-life underwater unicorn. The horned cowfish stuns with its bull-like projections. These extraordinary sea dwellers prove that truth is stranger than fiction. Heart-stopping moment as a high-speed train barrels toward a deer herd in Hungary. The engineers' desperate horn blast and emergency braking created a race against death, with seconds determining survival in this nail-biting wildlife encounter. Against all odds, this tailless crocodile proves that even nature's most perfect predator can adapt and survive when the unthinkable happens. How is this even possible? Entire neighborhood vanishes in seconds as quick clay turns solid ground into liquid destruction. These Norwegian homes had no warning before being swallowed by the sea. The earth literally transformed beneath their foundations. Could this silent killer be lurking under your town? This monkey isn't just smart, it's revolutionizing the animal kingdom with human-like food prep skills. Watch in amazement as it peels carrots with the precision of a five-star chef. Who needs thumbs when you've got this kind of intelligence? This otherworldly landscape is the aftermath of a volcanic. Mother Nature creating her own alien terrain right here on Earth. Jellyfish so massive, it could crush a car with its killer tentacles. Mother Nature's terrifying power unleashed, as raging floodwaters devour everything in their path. Watch the unstoppable force transform peaceful landscapes into scenes of total destruction in seconds. Talk about nerves of steel. When an entire beehive crashed onto this pest control worker's head,
Oh no, boy.
he didn't panic or scream. His incredible composure under attack saved him from what could have been a swarming nightmare.
No, that won't. This is really bad. I have no way of getting him off of me right now.
The mind-blowing flower carpets of La Orotava, where thousands of colored sand grains and delicate blooms are transformed into masterpieces that will vanish with the season. This centuries-old tradition will leave you speechless. Romance isn't just for humans. Watch this little bird charm his way into her heart with moves that would make any dancer jealous. The moment she finally accepts his courtship will make your heart melt. Nature's fury struck back in Myanmar when a jade mining water reservoir ruptured in 2024, sending its contents cascading down the mountain. What followed was a devastating flood, a harsh reminder that sometimes our environmental actions come with catastrophic consequences. Nature's fury unleashed. A monstrous blend of debris, mud, and pyroclastic material roars down the Rabaka River. A terrifying wall of destruction caught in one mind-blowing moment. Seals basking in pure, unapologetic relaxation, masters of doing absolutely nothing. Electric fury tears through the sky, a savage beauty that strikes fear and awe in a single blinding moment. Underwater sunflowers? These sun corals are like marine sunflowers that glow instead of growing. Nature's most epic underwater light show.